What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger because we're gonna be installing some more interior modifications. Now, I tried to hold off on these as much as I could because I was like, okay, you know what? Maybe I don't need these modifications because I tried to be clutter free. Now, I've owned the truck for around 3 weeks and well, your boy couldn't hang. I mean, I'm a mess. So, I mean, you've seen a million of these. Probably in the title of this video, Amazon mods for the inside of your truck. I mean, these are repeated. These things are the most common modifications. I'm sure you'll find them in every single Tacoma in the United States, for the most part. Okay, so most of the time I ask you guys, let me know if you guys have done this mod. But, I'm gonna be bold. Let me know if you didn't add these modifications into your truck. I'm interested. Let me know if you don't have any of these mods. If you do not, I will like your comment. I like all the comments anyways, but I will try to like your comment with more enthusiasm. There's a frog somewhere around here that I hope isn't gonna harass me while I'm recording. So I was gonna show you guys the modifications first, but it was too dark. But I realized, bada boom, bada bang, hello lights, how are ya? This is what we're working with. We got these, because these are a must. Okay, so I'm not gonna make a video on, I'm not gonna make a whole video on installing these two things because, well, this takes like a minute at most, and this one, I won't lie, that one is a pain. It's all folded up because I got it and then I put it in the back of the truck and, well, there, I mean, that's what happens. But these are where the money is at. So I unboxed these and then I don't know how they go. This one's fairly simple. These though, these I'm gonna struggle putting together. So let's start with this. All right, cool. So this is fairly simple. You're just gonna pull up your thing, pop it open like that. Be very careful because it's full of oil. I put these facing towards the back, even though I probably should face them towards the front because getting into this truck is extremely awkward. So we're gonna put it down and it's gonna lock, and then you're good to go. Now, if I ever lift this truck and someone who's short needs to get in, they can grab onto here, bada boom, bada bing. Super easy, super simple. And it spices things up in the back side of the truck.
Baby, what are you doing?
So I think you put it on here first, and then... Alright, so this mod is literally the most difficult interior mod you can do. Now, I can't get out. I remember this was a problem last time. All right, cool. So we're 2 mods down. We got 3 more to go. So I'm about to try to assemble this right here, right in front of your eyes. Let's hope I don't fail. A lot of the time I end up failing at this stuff. No instructions, no help. All right, so I think this one is fairly simple. It's fairly simple. So you just push down like that. This one is for the center console. Simple. Breaks it up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections. This one though, this one is a little bit tricky. Okay, so this one goes down like, oh, sweet. So there you go. Fairly simple. I mean, I did this with no instructions and it's super sick. So I'm about to show you guys the before and afters. We're gonna take this inside now because, well, the bugs are getting more and more aggressive the longer I sit. Like, they're okay with me during the day, but when they're trying to sleep, they're not too fond of me. All right, cool. So let's start here. I tried to keep this as organized as I possibly could. I mean, I got 1 mask, I got 2 masks, I got a wallet, I got a Corolla key, some chapstick that's probably melted, a flashlight, we got some sunglasses, my favorite cologne, and then we got 1 magnet. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna make a video on something in this cubby that I didn't have in my last Tacoma that you can see here. I'm not gonna say what, but it's in there, and it's a lot better than what the other Tacomas have, but nonetheless, just small things. So now we can have a mask cubby, a wallet and stuff cubby. We can have an extra key cubby, and then I can have my little, you know, if I'm ever trying to be fancy, why not? And then I have to have a spot where I just have a bunch of useless stuff, so we'll call it there. I like this one a lot. I can keep stuff here. It's rubberized, so if I put a phone down, it's not gonna be shaking and baking. It'll sit there. You also got your coin holders. You know, if you ever get coins, you can put them there. I personally never, ever have coins, like ever. I'm actually so excited to drive home with this thing on. I mean, I can't wait. Last but not least, this one is more to prevent from making an absolute mess. Let's just see what's in here. Take a guess. What could Sandy have in here? What's the weirdest thing your spouse has put in your truck? razor blades. I don't get it. I don't understand. They're very comfortable. If you don't use these, I recommend them. They're bomb. Sandy's looking at me like I'm crazy, but we both know who they're really for. All right, so you have your trillion Tacoma manuals, quick reference guide, owner's warranty rights notifications. I avoided that with my LED lights apparently. Somebody said in the comments. An owner's manual. I will probably be reading that never. It's time to install the divider of all dividers. Bada boom, bada bing. You can't really see, but oh wait, Aang, don't you have a flashlight? Hey, hello, yes we do. So as you can see, it breaks things up and it like prevents you from putting razor blades in your glovey box, or at the very least makes it look a lot more organized.
Perfect. Look, they belong in there.
Cool. So now we're all done. We got it all organized. We decluttered, and now it actually looks like a decent glove box. If you need something, it's there. You can grab it. You don't have to shuffle through a bunch of papers. This is something that I like always wanted. I remember in my parents' cars, I mean, if you open the glove box, it was at least an hour to 2 hours before you were found underneath all the clutter that like spewed out of the glove box. It fits so much stuff that doesn't need to go there. And with this, I feel like it just prevents it. It just works out a lot better. So I recommend it 100%. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I enjoyed this because now I feel a lot more cozy, I guess you can say, inside the Tacoma. I think it's absolutely perfect. Just a real quick side note. What do you guys think about these headlights? I'm thinking about making the fog lights this exact same color. Is that too much? Is that weird? Call me crazy, but I like the amber, and I never liked the Raptor lights. I felt like, well, we're Tacomas. We're not supposed to be Raptors. I don't know. To each his own. I like it like this. I'm getting carried away with modifications. I could sit here and talk for hours, but it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.